How's everyone doing this morning?
Good.
Good? Awesome. Tired? Right? I see you guys. Yeah, 4 minutes ago. I hear you. I got my coffee in hand. I forgot we had this early morning session, and I was doing some prep work for the class, all my classes anyway, and I stayed up till 1:30 on accident. So I'm a little tired.
I've been up since about 7:25 a.m.
Oh, all right.
I'm
The
awake.
sun's rising. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so while I'm taking attendance, what I would like you to do is you're going to be finishing that 7 functions of marketing worksheet, and I would like you to upload it into Schoology. I would like it done by 9:15 this morning. There's only 7 questions on it because it is the 7 functions of marketing. You're only going to use the options one time. So in your word key, you can only use those functions once. It's okay if you use your notes to complete it, but it does need to be uploaded by 9:15 for grading. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go over the worksheet, and then we're also going to review Marketing is All Around Us, the lecture notes that you guys were taking. We do have a quiz on Tuesday. It's going to be 12 questions because there are 7 functions of marketing and 5 utilities. That is all that will be on the quiz, and it's multiple choice. So that's on Tuesday. I will put up a Kahoot quiz for you so that you have that available to you over the weekend and Monday to review. So our learning target for today is what are the 7 functions of marketing, and your success criteria, how you know that you met that learning target. Are you able to communicate the 7 functions of marketing? You need to be able to do that, right? And you should be able to do that by this point because we've been practicing this for the last few days. And we're ready for our quiz. All right, so when I call your name, please say here so that I know that you're here for attendance purposes. All right, some of you I had seen when you came in, but I'm looking for Monica Brewer. Monica's tired, I see that. All right, how about Caden Bright? Caden, are you with us this morning? I don't see you. Okay. Chloe Polly. Chloe, not here. Jaden? Here. Thank you. Angel Flint. Angel? How about McKenna? I saw McKenna when she came in. Sierra, I have you. Giselle, I have you. How about Alexandra Garza? I'm here. Thank you. Morgan Goodman. I'm here. Thank you. Vaughn Jones.
Here.
Aiden Lizzo. Aiden. Jacob, I'm going to ask you to mute your microphone, okay? Thank you. Samantha McQuaig. Here. Okay, thank you. Natalie Packwood. Here. Thank you. Phoenix. Stephen Pocus. Chayton Thomas. Marcella Thomas.
Here.
Hannah Walsh. Hannah. Rebecca Weary. Alyssa Whidbey. Here. And Mitch Wilson? Mitchell Wilson? Okay, no Mitch. Okay. All right. So if I didn't call your name, that's because I did see you when you came into the classroom. I'm going to go over the people that I've marked absent. So if you are now here, please make yourself known. I have Caden Bright absent, Chloe Colley, Angel Flint, Phoenix, Stephen Pocus, Chayton Thomas, Hannah Walsh, Rebecca Weary, and Mitchell said he's here. So I have both people marked absent. If you're here, please make yourself known. All right, a few more minutes to finish up on your worksheet. Were you being a bad girl earlier? You have about 2 minutes to finish up, please. Be sure that you upload it into Schoology for credit. Your work does get submitted with a timestamp, and I need it submitted by 9:15, please.
Ms. Barlage, I came in late.
Who am I speaking to? Phoenix? Good morning, Phoenix.
Good morning.
You can see on the board here what we're doing. You have just a few more minutes to turn in your Place the Functions worksheet if you have not already done so. At 9:15, we'll begin reviewing.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So when I call on you, please turn on your microphone, and I would like you to read the sentence and give me your answer. Okay? So the first one that I'm going to call on is Olivia Stan. Could you please read number 1? Olivia?
I'm here. I'm trying to find it.
Okay. Guys, make sure you have it in front of you so that as we begin, you'll be able to do this for us. Olivia, I'll read it to you so that we can save some time here and then you can respond, okay?
Okay.
A company builds warehouses in big cities so products can reach urban customers quickly. Which function of marketing?
I don't know if it's right, but I put channel management.
Whoop, whoop. It's right. You did a good job. What was the key word that helped you decide that that's the answer?
Like, I use big cities, like the products can reach urban customers quickly.
Okay, so you're trying to get the product to the customer. If there was one key word in that sentence, what one key word would really help everyone remember that this is channel management? A company builds warehouses in big cities so products can reach urban customers quickly. Which one word helps us understand channel management?
Warehouses.
Perfect, warehouses, okay? So that's your key word, guys, warehouses in that sentence. Okay, number 2, let's go to Dominic.
I didn't finish it.
Okay, well, we're going to work it out together, okay? I'll read it to you. And from the 7 functions of marketing, I would like you to decide which one it is. We know it's not channel management because we just did that one. A company stops producing a product that was not selling well.
Is it product/service management?
It sure is, Dominic. How did you know?
I kind of just I don't know. It just sounded right. I don't know. I kind of just guessed.
Okay, so you guessed correctly. So who can help? Why did we think this was product service management? Natalie, why do you think it's product service management? Why would you think that? Aside from guessing.
I don't know.
Okay, who can help?
It's product/service management because it's not selling, so the company's getting rid of it to give customers what they want.
Jacob, that is absolutely correct, right? When we're
All
looking
these years of playing video games are paying off.
Okay, so when you're looking at product service management, you're looking at maintaining and improving products, or even